Have you ever had a moment where everything just seemed to fall into place? A lucky break, a chance encounter, or a sudden burst of inspiration that changed your life? What if I told you that these experiences weren't just random coincidences, but rather the result of a powerful universal law that governs everything in our existence? This law is called the law of vibration, and understanding how it works can revolutionize the way you think about your reality and your ability to manifest your deepest desires. The law of vibration states that everything in the universe, from the smallest atom to the most expansive galaxy, is in a constant state of vibration. This means that everything around you, the chair you're sitting on, the air you're breathing, even your own thoughts and emotions, are all made up of energy, vibrating at different frequencies. And here's the kicker. The frequency at which you vibrate determines the experiences, people, and circumstances you attract into your life. As the renowned physicist Nikola Tesla once said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." And he was right. By understanding the law of vibration and learning how to consciously control your own frequency, you can tap into the infinite potential of the universe and create a life beyond your wildest dreams. But don't just take my word for it. The law of vibration is rooted in cutting-edge scientific research and ancient wisdom traditions alike. From quantum physics to Eastern mysticism, the idea that everything is energy and that our thoughts and emotions have a tangible impact on our reality has been explored and verified time and time again. In fact, groundbreaking studies in the field of epigenetics have shown that our beliefs, thoughts, and feelings can actually influence the expression of our genes, leading to measurable changes in our physical health and well-being. And recent discoveries in neuroscience have revealed that our brains are constantly reshaping themselves based on the input they receive, meaning that by consciously choosing positive, high-vibe thoughts and experiences, we can literally rewire our neural pathways for success and happiness. But the law of vibration isn't just some abstract concept or intellectual exercise. It's a practical tool that you can start using right now to transform your life in profound and measurable ways. By learning how to raise your vibration and align yourself with the frequency of your desires, you can attract incredible abundance, joy, love, and fulfillment into your reality. So, how exactly do you do that? How can you harness the power of the law of vibration to create the life you've always wanted? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the art and science of vibrational transformation. The science of vibration. To truly understand the law of vibration, we need to start with the basics. At the most fundamental level, everything in the universe is made up of energy. From the chair you're sitting on to the thoughts in your head, it's all just different configurations of vibrating particles. This idea was first proposed by the ancient Greek philosopher Democritus, who coined the term atom to describe the smallest, indivisible unit of matter. But it wasn't until the early 20th century that scientists began to unravel the true nature of the atomic world, thanks to the groundbreaking work of physicists like Albert Einstein, Niels Bohr, and Werner Heisenberg. What they discovered was nothing short of revolutionary. They found that at the subatomic level, particles don't behave like solid, predictable objects, but rather exist in a state of pure potential, flickering in and out of existence in a dizzying dance of energy and probability. This discovery gave rise to the field of quantum mechanics, which has since become one of the most successful and well-verified scientific theories in history. And one of the key principles of quantum mechanics is the idea that everything in the universe is interconnected and interdependent. This means that the very act of observing a quantum system can actually influence its behavior, and that particles can become entangled across vast distances, instantaneously affecting each other's properties without any apparent physical connection. But what does all of this have to do with the law of vibration and your ability to manifest your desires? Well, as it turns out, quite a lot. You see, just like the subatomic particles that make up everything in the physical world, your thoughts and emotions are also a form of energy, vibrating at different frequencies. And just like those particles, your thoughts and emotions have the power to influence the world around you in profound and measurable ways. When you think a thought or feel an emotion, you're actually sending out a vibrational signal into the universe. And according to the law of vibration, that signal will attract back to you experiences, people, and circumstances that match its frequency. So, if you're constantly vibrating at a low frequency, dwelling on negative thoughts, fears, and doubts, you'll attract more of those low-vibe experiences into your life. But if you can learn to raise your vibration and align yourself with the frequency of your desires, you'll start to attract incredible abundance, joy, love, and success into your reality. This isn't just some woo-woo pseudoscience or new age mumbo-jumbo. The idea that our thoughts and emotions have a tangible impact on our physical reality has been explored and verified by some of the greatest scientific minds in history. In the 1920s, the physicist Niels Bohr proposed the Copenhagen interpretation of quantum mechanics, which suggests that the act of observation actually creates reality. In other words, the very act of thinking about and measuring a quantum system can cause it to snap into a definite state, collapsing the wave function of probability into a single, measurable outcome. This idea was further developed by the physicist Werner Heisenberg, who proposed the uncertainty principle, which states that the more precisely we try to measure the position of a subatomic particle, the less precisely we can know its momentum, and vice versa. This means that at the quantum level, reality is fundamentally uncertain and dependent on the observer. But it's not just the act of observation that can influence the behavior of quantum systems. Recent studies have also shown that the mere act of thinking about a subatomic particle can actually affect its behavior, even if that particle is located miles away. In one famous experiment, physicists were able to use the power of thought alone to influence the direction of a beam of electrons, simply by focusing their intention on the desired outcome. This suggests that our thoughts and intentions have a very real and measurable impact on the physical world around us. And this isn't just limited to the realm of subatomic particles. The law of vibration applies to every aspect of our lives, from our relationships and careers to our health and well-being. In fact, studies have shown that our beliefs, thoughts, and emotions can actually influence the expression of our genes, leading to measurable changes in our physical health and vitality. This field of study, known as epigenetics, has revolutionized our understanding of the mind-body connection and the power of our thoughts to shape our reality. So, if our thoughts and emotions are so powerful, why do so many of us struggle to manifest the lives we desire? Why do we feel stuck, frustrated, and unfulfilled, despite our best efforts to think positively and visualize our dreams? The answer lies in our subconscious programming and the limiting beliefs and patterns that we've accumulated over the course of our lives. From a young age, we're bombarded with messages from our parents, teachers, and society at large about what's possible for us and what we can achieve. And over time, these messages become deeply ingrained in our subconscious minds, creating a sort of vibrational set point that determines the frequency at which we naturally vibrate. If we've been told that we're not good enough, smart enough, or deserving enough, we'll subconsciously vibrate at a frequency that attracts experiences and circumstances that reflect those beliefs. But the good news is that we can change our subconscious programming and raise our vibrational set point through the power of conscious awareness and intentional action. By becoming aware of our thoughts and emotions and consciously choosing to focus on high-vibe, positive experiences, we can gradually rewire our brains and shift our vibration to align with the frequency of our desires. This process isn't always easy, and it requires consistent effort and practice. But the rewards are absolutely worth it. When you begin to vibrate at a higher frequency, you'll start to notice incredible synchronicities and opportunities showing up in your life, as if by magic. You'll feel more joyful, energized, and inspired, and you'll start to attract people and experiences that reflect your newfound positivity and abundance. You'll also become more resilient and adaptable, able to bounce back from setbacks and challenges with ease and grace. But perhaps most importantly, you'll start to see the world in a whole new light. Instead of feeling like a victim of circumstance, you'll recognize that you are the creator of your own reality, with the power to shape your life and your future through the power of your thoughts, emotions, and vibration. Raising your vibration. So, how exactly do you go about raising your vibration and aligning yourself with the frequency of your desires? Well, there are many different techniques and practices that can help, but they all essentially boil down to one key principle: focus on feeling good. When you feel good, you're vibrating at a high frequency. You're in a state of alignment with the universe, and you're naturally attracting more of that positive energy into your life. On the other hand, when you feel bad, stressed, anxious, angry, or depressed, you're vibrating at a low frequency, and you're attracting more of those negative experiences and circumstances. So, the key to raising your vibration is to consciously choose thoughts, emotions, and experiences that feel good to you. This might sound simple, but in practice, it can be quite challenging, especially if you're used to focusing on what's wrong or what's missing in your life. One powerful way to shift your focus and raise your vibration is through the practice of gratitude. When you take the time to appreciate the blessings and abundance that are already present in your life, you naturally shift into a state of high-vibe positivity and attract more of that goodness into your experience. Try starting each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant they may seem. As you focus on the good in your life, you'll start to notice more and more things to be grateful for, and your vibration will naturally rise as a result. Another powerful tool for raising your vibration is meditation. When you quiet your mind and focus your attention on your breath or a simple mantra, you tap into a deep well of inner peace and calm that can help you rise above the stresses and distractions of daily life. Regular meditation has been shown to reduce anxiety and depression, improve focus and concentration, and even boost immune function and overall physical health. But perhaps most importantly, it allows you to connect with your own inner guidance and intuition, which can help you align with your true purpose and desires. Visualization is another incredibly effective way to raise your vibration and manifest your dreams. By closing your eyes and imagining your ideal life in vivid detail, you're actually sending out a powerful vibrational signal to the universe, attracting experiences and opportunities that match that frequency. The key is to focus on the feelings associated with your desired outcome, rather than just the external circumstances. For example, if you want to manifest a new job, don't just visualize yourself sitting at a desk or cashing a paycheck. Instead, focus on the feelings of excitement, fulfillment, and abundance that come with doing work you love and being valued for your contributions. As you practice visualization regularly, you'll start to notice your external reality shifting to match your internal vision. Opportunities will start to show up in unexpected ways, and you'll find yourself naturally gravitating towards people and experiences that reflect your newfound positivity and purpose. Of course, raising your vibration isn't just about the big, dramatic shifts in your life. It's also about the small, everyday choices you make that can either raise or lower your frequency. For example, choosing to surround yourself with positive, supportive people who uplift and inspire you can have a huge impact on your vibration. On the flip side, spending time with negative, toxic individuals who drain your energy and bring you down can keep you stuck in a low-vibe state. Similarly, the food you eat, the media you consume, and the environments you spend time in can all affect your vibration in subtle but powerful ways. By making conscious choices to nourish your body, mind, and spirit with high-vibe experiences and inputs, you can gradually shift your frequency and attract more of that positivity into your life. Ultimately, the key to mastering the law of vibration is to cultivate a deep sense of self-awareness and personal responsibility. Instead of blaming external circumstances or other people for your problems, recognize that you have the power to choose your thoughts, emotions, and experiences in every moment. When you take full ownership of your vibrational state and commit to raising your frequency through consistent, intentional action, you'll start to see your entire life transform in miraculous ways. Challenges that once seemed insurmountable will start to dissolve, and opportunities that once seemed out of reach will start to manifest effortlessly. But perhaps most importantly, you'll start to experience a deep sense of inner peace, fulfillment, and joy that comes from aligning with your true purpose and potential. You'll recognize that you are a powerful creator with the ability to shape your reality through the power of your thoughts, emotions, and vibration. The law of vibration is a fundamental principle of the universe, governing everything from the smallest subatomic particles to the grandest cosmic structures. And as a vibrational being yourself, you have the power to harness this law to create the life of your dreams. By understanding the science behind vibration and learning to consciously raise your frequency through practices like gratitude, meditation, visualization, and self-care, you can align yourself with the infinite abundance and potential of the universe. But this isn't just about manifesting material wealth or external success. It's about tapping into a deeper sense of purpose, fulfillment, and joy that comes from living in alignment with your true self and your highest potential. When you master the law of vibration, you become a powerful force for positive change in the world, inspiring others with your example and radiating love, compassion, and abundance wherever you go. So, as you go through your day today, remember that you are a vibrational being with the power to shape your reality through the power of your thoughts, emotions, and frequency. Choose to focus on the good, cultivate gratitude and positivity, and trust in the universe to guide you towards your highest and best outcomes. As the great spiritual teacher Rumi once said, "What you seek is seeking you." When you vibrate at the frequency of your desires, you become a magnet for miracles, attracting all that you need to fulfill your purpose and live your best life. So keep shining your light, trust in the power of your vibration, and know that the universe is always conspiring in your favor. With dedication, practice, and an open heart, you can truly create a life beyond your wildest dreams, one high vibe moment at a time.